Hello and welcome back to my channel. So if you recognize anything, this is going to be a Project Life page. I'm going to do a 2018 True Project Life. If you have been on my channel at all, you know I do event-based scrapbooking, and that includes like pocket pages with layouts as well. But I think I really want to start documenting the actual little life moments, if you will. And I used my Canon Selfie for printing out these photos, which I think I'm going to do every week. Unfortunately, they don't print out like true 4x6, which is a little annoying, but I'm just going to make it work the best way that I know how. I am also going to attempt to do like 1 week on one page. I don't know if that's really going to happen, but if it's a week like this week where, you know, nothing too crazy happened with a ton of photos, I like to condense it to some of my favorite parts of the week and do more of like everyday journaling, what happens in my day, and scrapbook and journal. I definitely want it to be more about like the photos and the stories than normal, just like, hey, we went here and then we did this and so-and-so got married, which I feel like, you know, at this stage of my life is the only thing I'm scrapbooking right now. I'm just using all of the Citrus Twists kits that I've already had, so I'm going through my whole entire stash trying to figure out like the perfect title card. I'm sure in the pocket pages I'm about to get in the kit, I'm probably going to wish I, just waited for it, but I just wanted this to be done and documented and ready to go. So what I'm going to do is quite a bit of stamping on my first title card. And I just used January 2018, and then I think it says another year begins, or so it begins, and I went ahead and stamped that all over the card. I really want to start using these stamps more. They're really fun for, I feel like, True Project Life users. So I'm excited to utilize them more because some of the things when I do event-based scrapbooking, it just doesn't really make sense. And then I went ahead and took out some old alphas, and I'm going to put week 1. The only thing is I later decided I wanted to put a bow here because there was a black and white bow that came in a recent kit that I wanted to use, and it matched some of the black on the other pages. So as you can see, I'm trying to figure out where it belongs, and this is thankfully very easy to just change. And now on to my favorite photo from New Year's. I just wanted to decorate this a little bit. I wanted to put the date in this like fake little label on the side. It didn't come out perfect, but I still really liked the way that it ended up looking. So I went ahead and put that on here. I liked that this photo I was able to crop down so I can add a little bit more like paper and stamping versus just photos itself. I'm going through all my recent Citrus Twist stamps and trying to figure out which I think would look the best. I think I end up with a stamp that says drinking home. I probably could have found something that said like drinking at, but I think that the picture's been understood. So I'm also looking for some corkboard pieces. I wish I would have added a little bit more of this corkboard, but it's all good. And the corkboard one says staying in. And then I went through my word stickers and found one that said fresh start that I just put right on top of the corkboard. And then I went ahead and took out one that's journaling, added some journal, added some doodles, and then put the card back in. I'm looking for a sticker. I used the word blah on this Snapchat one because it was a rant about the train. And then I have another journaling card that I just journaled about the time that we went to my dad's when we ate the day after New Year's, and I put the date on that. And then I'm taking out a picture where, well, I'm taking out 2 pictures. This one I knew I wanted to put this city sticker right there. The bottom already has a Snapchat filter with all. For this photo, I'm going to go ahead and put this little sticker or like cut apart that says moments like this. This is just a picture of us having a train beer on the way home. I wanted to add a little label to the dinner that my dad cooked us, and I'm putting the word yum and then the date on there, and I'm going to put that right in the middle of the photo. Then I'm putting that back in the pocket, and I've pretty much done everything that I wanted to do. I'm just going to add a little bit more of like puffy stickers with the teal. I feel like there's a lot of teal in here, and I just wanted to tie more of the photos together. And then that's really going to be it for my first Project Life process video, week 1. I'm really excited to be able to document these little memories. It'll be interesting to see if I can stick to 1 page per week. I'm definitely going to try and make it work though. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks, bye.